guys, Theresa here. Have you ever wondered how you can layer your photos for your Instagram stories? Well, I'm going to show you how to do it, so stay tuned. If you're new here, welcome. I make a lot of how-to videos for social media, and if you enjoy these types of content, make sure you hit the subscribe button and notification bell so that you don't miss out on any of my videos. Without further ado, let's jump straight into it. First things first, you need to open up your Instagram account, and I'm just going to take a photo here. Just for example purposes only. Let's say if you just take a photo and then go into that icon there and then scroll down, you see that little icon with that sort of mountain and sun icon there. I'm just going to select this photo. See how you got here? I've got one of my photos, and then I will do that again with another photo. I'm just going to, something that I shot long ago. The photo that you want on top, you can tap onto that. And then obviously you can be more creative, maybe draw on it or something like that. I mean, I'm doing a bad job here, but you can play around with that. So that's how you do it, guys. If you have any questions for me, leave it down in the comment section below. But that's all from me for now, and I'll see you on the next one.